Hi and welcome. My name's Tolan and I'm the co-founder of ProductivityMe. In this video, we're going to look at how to insert columns into an Excel spreadsheet. We'll use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl Shift plus, as well as a series of alternate keystrokes in order to insert columns into our spreadsheet. So with that, let's get started. I'm going to open up Excel, and I've flushed out a little bit the example. So we now have, again, a 8-year period. We're selling ebooks on Amazon for 10 euros each, and we have a revenue for each individual year, which is a product or a multiplication of the quantity sold times the price, right? That's pretty straightforward. And then here we have, here we have the sum of all of these different revenues, and all of these different quantities would give us the total. So say that we wanted to calculate the profit, but often profit is actually revenue minus costs. So if we wanted to insert a column, we could select here and then press Ctrl Shift plus sign, scroll down to entire column, and we would have the opportunity to then say something like costs. However, I'm going to undo that, and we're going to use a more efficient method. Similar to when we selected a row and then press Ctrl Shift plus sign, we can actually come here and we can select a column by clicking on the letter there in the column that we'd like to add. We're going to hit Ctrl Shift plus, and Excel will automatically know that we want to insert a column. So if here we were going to be in an instance where this would be costs, maybe it's like 25% of this. Or maybe our costs are just 1,000 euros no matter what. So 1,000 euros all the way down. Then we know that our profit would be equal to our revenue minus our costs. And then we would be able to bring this formula down for each of the individual years. All right, so maybe we wanted to insert a column, which again, we could press Ctrl Shift plus sign, or maybe we would do Ctrl Shift plus sign and then select column. However, there are a couple other ways to insert a column. You can come here and you can go to Insert Column, or you can press the Alt key, the Home key, the I key, and then press the C key for column, and that also would insert a column. So with that, we've looked at 3 different ways, or maybe 4 different ways to look at inserting a column. We can press and select that row, or that column rather. We press Ctrl Shift plus, it would insert a column. We can select that individual cell, press Ctrl Shift plus, and then scroll down, enter a row, or we can come up here. We can go to insert column, or lastly, Alt Home IC would also insert a column. All right, so in this video, we made a giant mess and created a lot of additional columns and an additional row. In our next video, we'll look at how to delete individual items. More specifically, we'll look at how to bring up the delete dialog box. So check that out in our next video, and we'll see you again soon. Thanks for watching.